Jake was excited to try the new burrito place in his neighborhood. They were known for their extra spicy burritos that were almost too hot to handle. He ordered the spiciest burrito on the menu, filled with ghost peppers, habaneros, and chili peppers. After a few bites, his eyes were watering and his nose was running, but he persevered. A few hours later, the burrito revenge set in. As Jack sat on the toilet for what seemed like hours, he realized this would be a poor experience he would never forget. Little did he know, it was actually perfect timing. He was celebrating National Pool Day in his own spicy way. National Pool Day on February 12 aims to raise awareness about bowel health and hygiene. Our bowel movements are an important indicator of our health and health, though it's not something we frequently discuss in public. The organization aims to break down the taboo around pool and get people talking about healthy bathroom habits. The first National Pool Day was celebrated in 2007, the brainchild of a group of healthy care professionals. They wanted to educate people about constipation, diarrhea, colorectal health, and other issues related to our bowel movements. After all, if everyone pools, why is it such an awkward topic of conversation? The goal was to get people paying close attention to what's in the toilet bowl and talking to their doctors if anything seems amiss. The key message of National Pool Day is that everyone should aim for a long, soft, S-shaped pool that passes easily. If your pool is hard, loose, watery, pellet-like, or you have difficulty going to the bathroom, it could indicate a problem with your diet or colon. By talking more about pool, people can better understand what is normal and when it's time to consult a doctor. To celebrate National Pool Day, you can start by simply talking to friends and family about their bowel health and habits. Share information about the ideal stool type and frequently on social media to spread awareness. Some people take photos of their pool to share on the official National Pool Day website, though that is certainly not for everyone. The most important way to celebrate is by listening to your body and make sure everything is running smoothly in the bathroom. Your pool says a lot about your health, so make today the day you start paying attention. This is the painting we've done with oil pastels for this special day. Wish you a great National Pool Day. Cheers!